welcome to this video. This is the video we will discuss the question of mean, that is mean with individual series. These are the income given and we are referring as X. This is we are calculating mean with the help of individual series by using direct method. So first of all, the first step is to write the formula. What is the formula for direct method? Is mean is equals to sigma x upon n. So it means here summation x. So this is the column of x. It means you have to total of this all these numbers. When you get the total with the help of calculator, 14780 plus 15760 26690 plus 27750 plus 24840 plus 24920 plus 16100 plus 17810 plus 27050 plus 26950. So the answer total comes out as 2,22,650. This is your summation x. Now talking about the formula, you have to put summation x. Summation x is the total of all these figures. That comes out as 2,22,650 divided by n. In individual series, although because there is only one series of figures, we have to calculate all these numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in denominator, you have to write 10. Now the answer comes out, you have to cancel 0 by 0. So answer comes out as 22,265. So this is your mean. This is your final answer with the help of direct method. Now we'll discuss how to calculate the same question with the help of shortcut method. So first up, we have to write the formula, that is mean we have to assume then summation d upon n. This is the formula while we are using shortcut method to calculate mean. So now first of all we have to calculate deviations, that is d x minus a. Here a means we have to assume one figure. Suppose we are assuming this figure. You can assume anything, it doesn't matter. So now for this question we are assuming a as 24,920. Now you have to calculate all these deviations. Deviation means x minus a. This is x for the first figure. 14,780 is the x, and your a is, that is your assumed mean, is 24920. It means you have to calculate all these deviations. So for the first one you have to type 14,780 minus 24920. That comes out at minus 10140. So minus 10140. The same lines, you have to calculate all these figures. 15760 minus 24920. So answer comes out as minus 9160. These are the deviation we have to calculate for each and individual number. Now this is x minus a. This is your x for this figure, that is 26,690 minus 24,920. So the number comes out as 1770. So now 27750 minus 24920. Answer comes out as 2830. You have to do all these figures. 24840 minus 24920. So the figure is minus 80. Now this comes out as same, so 0, because 24920 minus 24920 comes out as 0. Now 16100 minus 24920. This is minus 8820. For this figure 17110 minus 24920. The number comes out as minus 7110. For this figure 27,050 minus 24,920. So that comes out as 2130. For the last figure 26,950 minus 24,920. So that is 2030. Now you have to add all these figures. Now for example, we have to calculate all these addition numbers, like 1770 plus 2830 plus any other plus figure, these 2130 plus 2030. Now you have to deduct all these minus figures, like minus, first one is 10140 minus 9160 minus another minus figure is 80, then minus 80, then minus 8820 minus 8820, then minus 7110. So the deviation comes out as, that is sigma d is equals to minus 26,550. That is summation d. Now in order to solve this question, we have to put these values into the formula of shortcut method. Now the formula for shortcut method is a plus. Here a we assumed as 24,920. So 24,920, that is plus, summation d is minus 26,550. We have to add these and summation d. If it comes in minus plus, it doesn't matter. Minus 26,550 and divided by n. Here n is regarded as same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10. Now we have to solve this. That is minus 26,550 divided by 10. So that comes out as 24920 plus in bracket 2655. Now if you open this bracket, the sign becomes of negative 1. So 24920 minus 2655. So 24920, this sign becomes of negative, so 2655. Then when we deduct this, the answer comes out as 22,265. So your mean value is this. The answer comes out as same when we use direct method or the shortcut method. But in shortcut method, when we are calculating mean, it requires a lot of effort. It means in general sense it is not a shortcut method, but when we use advanced statistical tool other than mean, we will realize the shortcut method is very easy and very easy to compute. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.